just left home. It's 3:30 in the morning and I'm on my way to a farm in Dorset to repair a milk tank. I want to be down there for about 8 o'clock. This is the tank that's leaking. It's a 10,000 litre. And I've been inside and located the leak. It's leaking near this front leg. So I've got to cut that cone shaped piece off and that circular panel above it to get to the leak. About 5 years ago I had to do the same thing on the other side. Right, I've got the panels cut off and the leak's up there somewhere. So now I've got to cut some of this panel away here. And I want to try and keep inside that circle there where this panel fits. I want to try and cut inside there. I'm hoping there's enough room between that frame and there to get to the leak. Right, I've got this piece cut out now. Now I need to get some of this insulation out. I think we'll find the leak up here. That's a mild steel frame there. Might have to cut the little bit off the end of that. I see the insulation's already missing here. So when the tank was made, it obviously wasn't filled up. There's a cavity there. Right, that's where the leak is. It's on that spot weld there. So I'll weld that spot weld up, and I shall weld some of these others as well. That's the one that was leaking, and I've welded 3 other spot welds as well. It's on pressure test. There's 200 psi in there. So now I've got to weld these panels back in. Weld this one back in first, or put some insulation in first, then weld this piece in, and then stitch weld these 2 on. That's the panels welded back on. Just got to polish the welds. So that's the job finished. The welds are polished. The tank's on a wash cycle now. I'm going to start milking in about an hour.